This session will be recorded. So if anybody misses anything, they want to watch it on demand, or if you want to come back later, this will be recorded and available for you. With that, Maritza, thanks for being with us today. I will turn it over to you, and thank you so much.
Awesome. So I can I share my screen or?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, let's see here. So we got to go somewhere over here. Bear with me a moment. Share screen. Share. You see it? Oh, wait, where are we at? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so let me, do you guys see the whole screen? I can't tell what you see here.
Yep, looks good. We can see the we can see the actual PowerPoint.
Okay. All right, so basically, thank you everyone. My name is Maritza Torres. I am with EPS Financial. Just a little bit of about myself. I actually started about 7 years ago in the customer service department as a CSR. I quickly, transitioned over to assisting our at the Spanish initiative team in our sales department. Then I continue transition and now manage accounts with our sales team, and now part of our EPS sales division that now is available to share who we are and the services, the awesome products and services that we offer when it comes to our refund transfers. So EPS, we would love for you to have the edge just to be on par with us, for the edge just to, have it totally going on for the upcoming tax season. And I'll be discussing our programs each individually. I'll first start off with some highlights about this year. We had this tax season, we have supported over 30,000 tax offices. We're super excited about that. We also, one of our programs is that we provide taxpayer advances. And in that itself, we provided and we assisted over $1 billion in taxpayer advances issued this tax season alone. With that, we also had over 2 million refund transfer program processed within our EPS Financial division. We have an awesome high approval advanced taxpayer advance approval rates. Hence why we've done so well with processing so many this tax season. And we have such an amazing customer service support with up to a 96% service level. And as you, communicate with us, you will definitely find out that our support system is one of the best. Today I'll be explaining to you what refund transfers is all about. And our taxpayer advance loans, which are very popular, as well as our ERO financing options available to you for being part of our partners. We assist you in continuing, for your success and just so that you guys can continue growing as well. If you're not too familiar what refund transfers are, basically, and how it can benefit you and your company, a refund transfer is basically a bank product that we provide tax professionals where we can then deduct your tax fees, your tax preparation fees from your client's returns. It's an awesome service to have available to your clients, whether you need it now or not, or maybe just in general to have it available. We've had such a rough economy this year, these past couple of years. Believe it or not, whatever someone has in their pocket, they probably would rather keep it in their pockets and not use it to pay their fees, to have their taxes completed, and just a service that will allow them to go to your office, complete their taxes, and everyone is happy. They're happy, you're happy, and everyone gets paid successfully. Within that, EPS Financial has 3 awesome programs. One of the first ones ever created was our eCollect, which is a very simple program one of the lowest in the industry, and it's just $20 for the refund transfer. Basically, your client goes to you. They say, hey, can complete my taxes. Um, I don't have it right now to pay you. And the service, by having us partner with you, you having this available service that's no cost to you, with just $20 that your clients pay once their refund comes in, they can then get their taxes done. You collect your fees. You won't have to worry about having to be in back of anyone. Once they collect their their refunds, and everything will be taken care of. Just for $20, your clients get paid, you get paid. With that itself, you also have an opportunity to add taxpayer advances. If you're not too familiar with taxpayer advances are, basically, as you probably already know, nowadays there's other institutions that provide like Christmas loans, like the RAL. But in essence, with these advances, your clients can qualify to receive an advance based on what they're expecting to receive. And just for the low cost of $20, they can have that option available to them, no cost to you. And of course, no additional cost to your clients. And we'll speak about that a little bit further. But in essence, the disbursements, they can choose direct deposit if they have their own bank account. They can choose our faster money cards, and you can also print a check at your office just for $20 on the client side, no fee to you. Another awesome program that we have is our e-bonus. We have this great incentive program that you choose from. These are options that you get to choose. You have the e-collect. Now we're speaking about the e-bonus. Basically, the e-bonus is one of the highest incentives with no minimum requirements out to you. So what that means is that with us collecting your fees from your client's returns and you choosing the e-bonus program, you receive an incentive up to $20 per refund transfer. You have a choice to have your clients' returns deposited into their bank accounts, checks, and the faster money cards. This is a no minimum requirement. So if this is your first time offering bank products, refund transfers, don't be alarmed. There's no requirements. You simply have the opportunity to make an extra incentive to assist you in, an extra revenue, as you can, as per, so to speak. And first-time EROs are eligible. If there's one client that actually, goes to your office and say, hey, is there any other way that I can pay you just that one particular one? You could do one, you can do 500. You have an opportunity to definitely receive an incentive under the e-bonus program. Along with this refund transfer, you have an opportunity to also have taxpayer advances added to your clients should someone need it. So definitely is there. This one costs, it's a little bit higher, which is just simply $39.95. But with that, you have an opportunity to definitely receive an incentive. And we have offices that do so many things where they pay their software just with it at the end of the year. Or something extra that they don't have to literally come out of their pocket, pay their software. Some of them go on vacation. Some of them just buy new equipment. So, it's definitely never ending, and it's a great way to incur another income for your business. Another program that we have, again, is 3 options. So this one is our e-advance, is one of the most popular ones. I actually love this one, and I have friends that actually are tax professionals, and they use this program. The reason why is this is a true no cost advance program. What this basically means is there's no gimmicks, there's no nothing fine printed. Simply is no cost to you. Basically, your clients can come to you. You have an opportunity to offer them advances up to $1,000 with no interest to them, no additional interest to them. So it's just $39.95. They can leave your office with up to $1,000 with nothing else, no additional cost to them. You do not have to pay a marketing fee. There's no cost to you to have this service available to your clients. Not only do they have an opportunity to leave with up to $1,000 with no additional fees to them, they can also have an opportunity to leave with up to $6,000. And again, this is at no cost to you. Basically, your clients, you choose this program, and $39.95 this is a fee to your client and no fee to you. There's no extra hidden cost to you. First time EROs are eligible as well. Again, like I mentioned before, no minimum requirements. First time offering bank products, this service is definitely available to you. One thing that I love to share from my offices is that we help a lot of first-time EROs, and they actually use this program to continue succeeding. Right, some of them go on their own. This is a great marketing that will help them get more clientele, and the best part is that the office won't incur an additional burden, an extra cost to them. So it's a great service available to your clients, to the offices, to you, and no extra cost. It's one of the most popular ones. So in essence, I'm going to speak a little bit more about the advances in general, which all three programs are eCollect, our eBonus, and our eAdvance offers. And it's the ability to offer the advances. And this doesn't mean that you have to offer the advances. This is just an extra service available to you should someone need it. And we'll be speaking a little bit more about the pre-ac advances and are in season. So basically our taxpayer advance loans, what are they? We normally begin the beginning of January. I think this year is maybe January 3rd, Monday, something like that. That day we are open. We are available to our offices to have our advances available to their clients. It's been a rough economy, right? We have clients or just taxpayers in general in need, and believe it or not, that these loans come at such a perfect time. Not only is it just after Christmas, the holidays, everyone is finding themselves, somewhat in a crunch. So having the ability to receive an advance early on, and it may not have to be additional fees, that a lot of clients definitely take advantage of it and release a lot of burden that they may have. These pre-acts begin beginning of January. And they basically, what it means is that IRS, we provide loans, advances to taxpayers before the IRS actually opens. Based on previous histories for these particular taxpayers, we may qualify them based on all that information, what they're expecting to receive without the IRS acknowledgement. Once the IRS opens, they have, you can continue offering what we call them then is they become in-season advances, where after you submit them through your software, IRS receives them. And once we receive that acknowledgement, we can then offer them, advanced loan based on the information we receive on what they're expecting to receive. These in-season loans, you continue to offer them to your clients all the way to the end of February. Basically, it ends when the IRS begins to start funding your clients. The advanced loans, again, are available to all three programs we have: eCollect, eBonus, eAdvance, and you have the choice to choose whether you want to offer it. It's a great service to have available. It's not required for you to use it, but believe you me, it will definitely help you. It will definitely help your clients, and there's really no reason for you to turn anyone away so that they can go down the block and take that business to your competitor. So it's a great service to have with no basically additional fees to you. And basically the great part about it as well, like I mentioned, is first-time EROs are eligible. No requirements to have a minimum the year before. So if this is your first time and this is something that you would like to explore and just have available, you're definitely qualified to try our programs and our advanced services that are a definite benefit to everyone involved, you, your office, because it will help you grow, continue growing, and of course, your clients in time of needs, especially. Um, just a quick recap reminder. These are your EPS, and I don't want to be biased, but I feel that we have one of the best programs out. I mean, what other bank gives you the choice to choose out of three? All three do the same exact, provide the same service, give you options, and there's no cost to you. Like literally, you wouldn't imagine how much an office, a business can actually grow from either of these programs, and everything is all based, these programs are all based on your individual structure of your business. Our eCollect is the lowest cost refund transfer. So these are more mainly for offices that want to keep their cost low for their clients. They have an opportunity to add the advances. It will be available should someone need it. So it's a service that's available to them. The e-bonus, this is more for an office that wants to receive some type of an incentive, right? Not only are you growing your clientele base, this gives you an extra opportunity to receive another revenue to your business, and you choose how you would like to use that extra incentive. And it's a great feeling to see how much an office can actually receive with the e-bonus program alone, and you are able to offer all the same services, the refund transfers and the advances. And our e-advance program, which is as well one of the most popular ones, because you have an opportunity to have advances available to your clients at no additional fee to you. That's just is just a great feeling that an office actually has an option to choose from. Sometimes it becomes a little, time. The offices basically have probably debating which way may be available, or which one may be best for them. But with our help, we help you. You just have to give us a call, and just based on the feedback that you provide to us on the type of structure and business that you are, we can help you decide which one will probably be more best for you and your company. Um, Not only do we have these awesome services for taxpayers, we also have some awesome benefits services to you, the office, the EROs. We have some finance options that are great on the start of the tax season, and it actually helps our offices go strong throughout the year, especially when it's some delayed fundings in the beginning of the tax year. One of the program services that we have are office startup loans. What these loans are is based on um, first time. Let's say for example, this is a first time with us this year. We basically determine what an office qualifies for based on how they did last year. So there's no, we don't automatically say, I'm sorry, you don't qualify. You simply give us a call. We'll be more than happy to discuss, how it can benefit you a little bit more. And if you are a returning partner of ours, it happens automatically. Basically, once you're enrolled, our system automatically generates that information based on how you did last year, and these services are available, and it's completely optional. Nothing that is required for you to accept or opt into. It's available if you would like to take advantage of it or not. But a lot of our offices actually use it for new equipment, softwares, purchasing their softwares. We know that, in the beginning of the year, the softwares are normally at a much more reasonable pricing based on, later on in the season. They use it for rent. They use it for leasing. If you're actually growing, it's a great way to use that to get yourself situated in your next facility, if it happens to be, rent or leasings. It helps with supplies, with marketing materials, and one of the most popular ones is offices like to use that startup loan and just keep it in, a safe haven to kind of help out with their payroll. It also keeps your employees retained, right? So if you're actually waiting for IRS to begin funding, sometimes, it can take a little bit longer than expected, and you really, it's kind of difficult to depend on that, what's supposed to come in versus what's already there. So it's a great service to have and help our offices continue growing. And we have a lot of offices definitely taking advantage of it. That's our office startup loan. Our next service available is fee advance loans. Basically what these are is, again, based on how you did last year, this tax season, um, your office qualifies for a certain amount, and with that, if you agree to it and you accept it, then that will then be given to you in a bucket. And once you begin to start submitting your client's returns and the IRS receives it and acknowledges it, we then will begin to deduct from this credit bucket that we provide you, and we pay 50% of your tax preparation fees up to $300. So let's say you charge someone 300 for fees, we deduct for your preparation fees, we deduct half of that. So that means that you will then receive 150 into your account. Usually takes about the next day, depending on when it gets processed, for you to receive it into your bank account. So every time you process and your clients get acknowledged in the beginning of the service, you opt into it, it actually helps with that revenue as well. So it's a great feature to have. Again, it helps with, just in general, your whole business structure, with your utilities, with your employees, and payroll, and just day-to-day functions that comes to be quite handy for you. And it actually becomes, it's quite popular, especially for those delayed fundings, right? Again, you have to wait for IRS to pay your clients so that you can then start receiving fees. At least with this, you will start, incurring something. So it definitely, it's a much happier um, situation to be in, just to have something coming in. These loans are actually, repaid back, right? When your clients begin to start receiving funds, we then begin to start collecting half of whatever you start receiving once the IRS begins to fund your clients, until it's pretty much all complete and paid off. And we can definitely discuss that into details if you have any more questions. Another program that we have that we're so excited for is our loyalty cards program. Basically, it's again qualified EROs based on how they did the year before. It's a program that you can actually take a particular amount and transfer it over to this program, the loyalty cards, where then you can use um, um, our faster money cards. Basically, you load faster money cards, our prepaid cards, and you provide them to your clients. It's a great referral program that you can use to retain your customers, to pay them, right, or to incentivize them for bringing you more clients. You get to compete with a lot of national brands. For example, all these, there are other banks that are out there, companies that provide, holiday loans. We don't start until January, but in essence, this program does begin December 15th, and you can load from these cards $25 and up to $500. You choose how much you would like to load them. You choose what program you would like to start at to give your clients an incentive, referrals, whatever you decide, that's totally up to you. These are basically loans that we provide you. We have it available for you, so you can use that marketing strategy to continue growing. Because again, you grow, we grow. We're here to just continue growing for the better. Yeah, and these programs are just like phenomenal. We're super excited. This year, actually, we just started. We entered it up to the 500 of the maximum per client. But again, you choose how many clients you want to give it to. If you want to give one client more than one card, that's totally up to you. And we can definitely discuss how, in more detail, if you have, how I can benefit you and your company. So basically, just a quick, somewhat, recap of our programs and how we're here to help you. We have these three design programs for an office. Every office is so different. Again, we have our lowest cost program, we have our high incentive program, we have our advanced program, right, that waives a marketing fee to you, the office. So it all depends on how your office is structured. You have the choice to choose which one, and I believe these programs are just phenomenal. We have some bilingual sales representatives. I myself am bilingual, so we have in our sales team, we have our customer service teams that are available as well, bilingual, to assist you whatever needs you have. We are available to assist in any way that we can to definitely help you succeed for this upcoming tax season and make it even better. Um, the solutions that we have is every 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 office is different. Like I mentioned, we have smaller offices that do a couple of hundred bank products. We have offices that do thousands of products. Each program is designed for you to choose what's best for you and your clients, and we are here to help you determine what would be best for you. We're very excited to say that, based on our growth and how well we're doing, we are able to have 3 call centers available to assist you. Our partners, we have one in Kentucky, we have another one in Pennsylvania, and then we have one across the US. So someone is always available to assist you in any need that you have. Our flexible detailed reportings are also available once you create an account with us if you're not already with us. It allows you to maintain your business bookkeeping, your record keeping, and just a lot of features that's convenient for you. We have chats, online chats on our portal, emails, calls, any structure that you feel more comfortable with. There's a lot of self-service options available just to satisfy your however you is it that you process your business. We're available to definitely assist you and determine how we can fit your needs. Um, so just just a quick information that will help you. It's October. Before you know it, it's already November. I already started seeing Christmas lights, trees out there already. I don't know what happened to Thanksgiving, but as you can imagine, time definitely goes by very quickly. And this is a perfect time for you to start, working into your software if you haven't done so. This is a great time to purchase it. Renewing your PTIN, there's that deadline, December 31st. That's, if you haven't done so, make sure that you look into that. If you don't already have your EFIN, you definitely want to check your status of your EFIN. You don't want to be in the middle of your transmitting, and next thing you know, you get an email indicating that your EFIN, there's something, it's not active or something. So that's definitely something that you should take some time and just check the status on it, make sure that everything is good to go. We are open for enrollment. We are already started assisting our offices with these loans that I was mentioning to our offices. They are using that as we speak to get situated for the upcoming year. So we're available to speak to you if you have any questions. And you're definitely doing what you're doing now. You're following up on your tax law changes. You're online now, so definitely continue doing that because it's definitely important and something that will help you stay steady, assisting your clients. And this is a great time for you to prepare with your marketing. Right now, we're working. This is our time to start getting situated because once January comes, we really can't do what we're doing now. So this is a great time for you to prepare for your marketing strategies. Start ordering your materials. Just get situated and start promoting your business so that your growth can definitely continue being a success. And again, we're here. We appreciate you having the time to listen to my presentation, to listening to who we are, EPS Financial. We appreciate you, Ian, as well, for this opportunity to share our services with you and your teams. And if open to any questions now. If anyone has any questions, I'm pretty much done right now. We appreciate your time. My email is there, phone number. Give us a call. We'll be more than happy to definitely speak to you if you have any questions. Any questions?
Still there. Hey, oh, hold on.
Yeah. Okay.
There
Can
you
you
are.
hear me?
Yep.
Hi. Yeah. Hi. Thank you. Any questions?
Oh, I think we have one in the chat here. Oh, no, just Veronica Flores saying thank you.
Thank you, Veronica, for listening, for, seeing our products and services. We're here to assist. If anything comes up later, we're definitely available. Our contact information is up on the screen.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And again, this will be recorded and posted for on demand. So you can get it anytime, review it, check back, and make the right choice for the upcoming season. So Maritza, thank you so much again.
Thank you.
And we wish you guys all the best this tax season.
Absolutely. You as well, Ian. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.